Alright guys, I'm here and I'm going to show you guys how to put together Plen 2's leg. Alright, it's very important to note that start with these two pieces here, and that there are 4 of these pieces here, but they're not all the same. There's 2 of one kind and 2 of the other, and you want to make sure that you get the orientation just right. You want to make sure that you put this part in first into the area, and then there's a little groove here, you see this, or like little cavity there. So you put this one in first, and then you aim it correctly until it clicks into place. Now you want to make sure that this configuration is set up so that this part is with the block on the inside of the foot and not aimed, for instance, how it might be as such. Okay, otherwise that won't work correctly. So that's part number 1. Now we will move on to the knee joint, which is this part here. So it's important to note that you want to put this little piece here in first, or put it onto the servo first. However, I think it works both way. But just make sure that's in there or the thing won't work. So next thing that we're going to do is position it in like this, and you'll see that there's the usual thing there that allows it to make it easier to go in. So you put it in here. Watch out for that wire so it doesn't get caught. And then you slide it in until it clicks into place. It's important to note that you can always screw. There are screws that come with the kit that you can screw in there to adjust it once it's fully been put together, but for now I'm not going to do that because it makes it easier for the demonstration. Alright, now we've done that, we're going to put in the next part. And as I said before, I like to put this in first, but you may prefer to put it on there first. I don't know. Everyone has their own way of doing things, so whatever works for you. Anyway, I'm going to do the same thing that I did before. Put that part in, then slide it into place, and there we have the next piece went in, like so. And then we have the last part, which is up here. Again, in this case, it's on here. You can either put it on there first, or like what I like to do is have it in here first. Like that. And then I will place that in here and make sure that I use this little thing that we talked about. So we'll do 1. This part's always a little bit trickier to do, but there we go. There we have it. And it's important to note that, of course, the legs are going to be mirrored. So when they're connected up to the rest of the body, it'll be like this. And then, of course, as you see, this part is mirrored, as in it goes this way and this one goes that way. And when you look at it from the side, it's like this. And remember to put in the screws once you've figured out all the motor rotation or the servo rotation. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys put the legs together, and I will see you in the next video where we will connect the body